Welcome beautiful people, it's your girl Inspiring Charm. I'm going to show you today how to whip up a quick and easy summer drink. If you want to learn more, stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. For those of you who are coming back, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. For my ingredients, I'll be using a cup of cantaloupe, some strawberries, and some cherries. And I'm going to be adding that to my blender. Now to my blender, I'll be adding 3 cups of water. Now I'll add half cup of sugar to that and 2 ounces of lemon juice. All my ingredients are now added to the blender, and I'm going to blend that for about 4 minutes until it is smooth, and then you'll have a very refreshing drink. So I'm going to blend that on high speed. You can stop your blender at different intervals. It depends on the your blender and how well it can manage what is placed in it. But because I have my cherries in there, I'm going to be blending at different intervals. So guys, halfway through the process, I went in and I strained my juice mix because it was a bit too much for the blender. And I am back. And what I'm going to be doing to this, I'll be adding half teaspoon of ginger powder to this because I don't want any more sediments in there. So I'll be adding it to the finished product. And since it is already powdered, then I'm just going to add it so that it mix thoroughly. Right? So half teaspoon of ginger powder. I'll just blend this for another minute or so, and then I'll be good. So everything is being blended. These are very effective ways to use up the fruits in your fridge that are going bad, or just to make a very refreshing drink for your children's lunch, for yourself, for if guests coming over. Very effective way to use up what you have without breaking the bank. I'm all for saving money. So there you have it, my cantaloupe, strawberry and cherry punch, and I'll be serving this with dinner. No, you can serve it over ice, you can serve it put it in the fridge to chill, but my fruits were all in the fridge, so it is already chilled. So I'm going to serve this with dinner just now, and I'll let you see that. So there you have my dinner, good, with my drink. You may store the remainder of your juice in your fridge or use it to make popsicle for your kids. Bye for now, it's your girl Inspiring Charm.